While Hurricane Florence predictions are looking a lot better for Beaufort and Jasper counties, agencies across the Lowcountry remain ready for anything. News 3's Stassi Olmos is joining us now with what they are doing to prepare. Stassi.
That's right. Things have really shifted from should we or should we not evacuate to, okay, what have we done to get ready for this possible rain and wind? Here's what's in place across Beaufort County.
We're really at the 0 hour. The storm is right off the shore of North Carolina and still has a prediction to produce a significant rain event for South Carolina.
In one of the lowest lying areas of Beaufort County, the city of Beaufort is preparing for a lot of rain and possible flooding from Florence.
Historically, we've had some pretty significant flooding events over the last 3 or 4 years.
City staff filled sandbags Thursday morning as hundreds lined up to get them to protect their homes.
Sandbags, manpower. We've got everybody from the Public Works Department, Fire Department.
While the city is working on a long-term solution, it's these sandbags and clean storm drains for now.
Really doing the best we can to clean the ditches, to flush the pipes, to make sure whatever comes can run.
With the chance of that kind of water and possible tropical storm type winds, law enforcement and emergency operations centers across the county are fully staffed and standing by.
At this point, the lagoons that we control, we've lowered. We've asked others to do the same thing to allow some capacity for the rain that's coming. And we've also fueled our lift stations and our pumping stations to make sure that they're running and continuing to function.
Several utility trucks from Aiken are also staged on Boundary Street, ready for any possible power outages.
It's interagencies working together, and we're as ready as we possibly can be for any effects that to be felt by Florence.
The city of Yemassee also told us they have sandbags on standby now too if residents need them. Now, first responders say that they will continue to answer calls and respond to calls as long as weather permits. After Hurricane Matthew, across the county, they did get much heavier vehicles that can respond to areas with heavier rain, flooding, and wind. Those are on standby as well. Reporting live in Bluffton, Stassi Olmos, WSAV News 3.